Hello and welcome to our video on 7 hacks to write an excellent essay and quote. Writing an essay can be a challenging task, but with these 7 hacks, you can produce a high-quality essay that impresses your readers. Here is an example of an essay that has been written by implementing these tips. Let's say the topic of your essay is the benefits of regular exercise. You're interested in this topic because you enjoy working out and want to share your knowledge with others. By choosing a topic that you're interested in, you're more likely to stay motivated throughout the essay writing process. In this case, your interest in regular exercise will help you stay engaged and produce a well-researched essay. Your outline could include the following sections. Introduction. Hook. Start with a statistic or a question to grab the reader's attention. Background information. Provide some context on the benefits of regular exercise. Thesis statement. State your main argument or point of view. Body. Benefit 1. Discuss the physical benefits of regular exercise. For example, weight loss, improved cardiovascular health. Benefit 2. Discuss the mental health benefits of regular exercise. For example, reduced stress, improved mood. Benefit 3. Discuss the social benefits of regular exercise. For example, improved social connections, increased confidence. Conclusion. Restate thesis statement. Summarize your main argument and restate your thesis statement. Call to action. Encourage the reader to take action. For example, start exercising regularly, seek out a fitness community. Your introduction could start with a statistic like according to the World Health Organization, physical inactivity is the 4th leading risk factor for global mortality. This will grab the reader's attention and set the tone for the rest of the essay. Make sure to use sources that are reliable, trustworthy, and relevant to your topic. For example, you could use studies from reputable sources like the American Heart Association or the National Institute of Mental Health. Make sure to get straight to the point and avoid using unnecessary words or phrases. For example, instead of saying in this essay, I will be discussing the benefits of regular exercise, you could say regular exercise has numerous benefits, including improved physical, mental, and social health. Using active voice makes your writing more engaging and easier to read. For example, instead of saying it has been found forms and persuades that regular exercise can lead to weight loss, you could say regular exercise leads to weight loss. Make sure to check for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors, and read your essay out loud to ensure that it flows smoothly. Take your time with this step to ensure that your essay is error-free. In conclusion, these are 7 hacks that can help you write an excellent essay. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your essay writing.